Hey guys, welcome back to another tutorial by Shayna's Home DIY and Crafts. In today's video, I'm sharing a few clips with you guys what my deck looked like when I first purchased this home and what I took it or brought it to look like. If you want to see how I do so, stay tuned and keep watching. Alright, if you're new here, my name is Shayna. On this channel, I do a lot of home DIY projects and different type of crafting. If you are new here, welcome. And for those who are not new, welcome back. And I know you guys who are not new is going to ask how my foot is doing. It's still hanging in there. I'm trying to recover nicely. So I'm just putting some clips together for you guys. So this is what the deck looks like when I first purchased the home. I went ahead and I pressure washed the deck. And then I sanded it down to the best of my ability. I could not, for the love of God, get the stain or the paint that they'd use on those rails. So this is the best I could. Originally, I wanted to stain it, but I couldn't get it off, so I decided I'm going to paint it. So before I painted and all of that, I have my little setup out here where I was hanging out, and it did look nice, like that natural earthy tone, so it looks nice. And that's how I was just hanging out here, me and my dog. So then we decided to paint it. So I prime it. Here we are. This is during the process of me priming it, and I also have a full tutorial and how I did all of this that I'm showing you these clip of that I've done when I did it. I'm gonna link that in the description box below so you guys could check that out if you want to see how I did so this is just small clips of me priming it. And I tell you what, it took me days to prime it and days to paint it, because guess what, rain. Every time I do a little bit of priming or a little bit of painting, it non-stop rain, and then what happened, just wash my paint away. And let me tell you something, exterior paint ain't cheap. And there we go. So I'm showing you guys, it looks like Stanford and Son back here. I had my string lights going and everything, trying to just make it look nice back here. So I'm just showing you guys the clips here if you guys are interested in seeing how I did the string light and those string light posts. I'm also going to have that clip in the description box below. So as we go along, it start looking wonderful. I'm doing it. It's looking good. So I primed it, and I kind of make sure you use like a exterior primer. Don't get like an interior primer. Get an exterior primer if you're gonna do this to your deck to make it looks good. You could see the difference already, where you could see where it started doing. So anyways, finally I got it painted. Look how beautiful this is. Absolutely gorgeous. Look at those lines. It looks like tracks. You know, many people came up to my house and they thought it was tracks, but nope. It's paint. It's paint. Sorry. Exterior paint by Beer. I don't remember the color, so don't ask me. If you really want to know the color of it, watch the video on how the deck makeover. You'll have all of that. So here we are, small clips. Because guess what? I'm proud of me because I did that. So I have to go upstairs, of course, and take a picture from upstairs window, looking down. Just go looking out the window. So you see them lights? They're coming in. It start looking nice. It start to look nice. And let me tell you, I did this 3 years ago, and I have not yet to retouch or paint. And the snow came and touched it, and the summer came. No, snow came, winter, fall. Let's start. Sorry. So fall came, winter came, spring came, and it's been like this for 2 years. I have not touched or do anything to the deck since then. However, definitely going to touch it up next year. So God's willing, stay tuned to see. So this is what it looks like once I was done with everything, decorated it. Probably not the same day, but I said different clips I'm putting together here for you guys. And I leave all these furniture outside and I cover them. I have no problem in the winter time. In the summer, spring, fall, every day I just keep these covered because I don't have a cover over the deck, and I have a lot of trees. And I don't, you know how it goes. I have, as you guys can see, I have white cushions on. So with the tree leaves and everything, it gets, you see what I'm saying? So yeah, look how beautiful this look. And FYI, I leave these rugs and everything out here this year, because this is like last year, I think. This year, and I pressure wash. You guys could check that video out, see how I pressure wash these rugs and everything to make it look nice and how it looking. But because I busted the foot, I still have not all summer sat out here to have a nice meal because of a busted foot. But I did clean it up though. I'm gonna link that video in the description box below so you guys could see how it held up. And I did that. You know, I feel like if I'd pay somebody to do all of that, they wouldn't have done it as nice as how I do it. I took my own sweet time. It took me a long time to paint it and paint it properly, and it held up for 2 years still. Okay. held up. It's still looking nice. Last year I had the guys came over and pressure washed the house, and then they kind of like try to pressure wash and bust a few little side parts of it. Like, no, don't pressure wash it. They're like, we thought it was track. It looks so nice. I'm like, no, it's not track. It's wood. So you see right there from the wear and tear from the snow I'm showing you guys. So that's that. And there is Fiona. She love it out here. So here I just have my little cushions and everything. See, remember I told you they're like half white. So that's why I keep these covers covered up from the leaves and stainless stuff. And let me tell you, these chairs, guys, I have these chairs for over 15 years. You see how new they look? So at my old house, I had a pergola that I built that was covered, but even though it was covered, I still used to pack these up and put them in my basement during the winter time. So I take care of my things. You guys got to take care of your things. You have some people be like, so you buy it to use it. Why not leave it there? I was on TikTok the other day and this lady was saying she has kids and she covered her couches with a couch cover. And this guy came into the ladies' live and go, you bought it to use it. Why cover it? And I'm like, oh, here we go. Just do you and leave her alone. She has kids. When you have little kids, you can't have them ruin anything. Like I have, they're going to enjoy your stuff, but you're not going to deprive your kids from enjoying your home. You're going to just cover it up so they can enjoy it. So you could have nice thing and save some dollars. So that's what it looks like here. Of course, I love hanging out here. It's absolutely gorgeous. It's my peace, my place of contentment. And you could tell Fiona is happy. So I left these out here and I covered them up like you see with the covers. Had no problem. They stay out here all winter and it did really well being covered out here. And I have no mold, no mildew. You guys can see that in the video that I'm going to put in the description box below of how I clean that up. I know somebody's going to ask me where I get that table. I got it from Amazon a couple years ago. I'm also going to have that in the tag link in the description box below. I hope they still have it because it's 3 years old. Still looks nice covered up. Just showing you guys my lavender plants. Smells so good out here. And yeah, that's just it here. So if you guys make it this far throughout the video, it's obvious that you like what you see here and you are the real deal. So just do me a favor and drop me a comment in the comment section. Let me know what you think. Let me know what's going on. Ask me what I'm doing. Like I said, I'm doing all right. And also give the video a big thumbs up and make sure you subscribe to the channel. Therefore, you can be notified every time I upload a new video. Guys, also share this video out with your friends and family. It doesn't cost anything. It's free to do so. All right. And if you guys want to see more, like the bar that I built, the privacy wall and all that, I'm going to have all of that so you guys can go check it out. I have over 700 videos here on YouTube. So I'm going to re-link those in the description box so you guys can go check it out, see what's going on. So this is what it looks like at night. I have these lights going up the stairs. Of course, Fiona's in the same spot. I cover these. So at night, I cover these. The night is closed. Close. So that's what it looks like. We cover up everything. It's beautiful out here. It's even more beautiful now because I have more lights from my garden and everything. So I'm just showing you guys. I don't even know where the hell I'm going here. What am I doing here? I don't even know. But for whatever reason, I'm walking to show you guys something. Don't ask me what it is. Oh, I was walking to show you guys the clip from the back. I ain't even going to delete that. I'm going to leave it. So I guess I wanted to show you guys what it looks like from like the view. And I tell you, this camera doesn't do it any justice like this. But you know what I'm saying? This is it. So yeah, and this is all DIY project done by me. I did it all by myself. So, if I can do it, you can do it. Take your sweet time. Don't rush yourself. Life is short. There is no rush. Nobody's going to say you got to finish by this week. Nobody's going to say you got to finish by this week. So get it done. It's your own time on your own time. So again, if you make it this far, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Turn the notification bell on so you can be notified every time I upload a video. All right. Remember, you can do all things through Christ who strengthens you. Until next time, be blessed. And bye for now.